morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back again for our video review of the X8 smartwatch. This is our third video review of this new smartwatch, the X8, and of course, there's more to come. This time, we're going to show you on how to install a watch face to your smartwatch as we promised. Last time we demoed on how to synchronize it and connect it to your HRY Find app support app. So far it works. If you haven't seen the video, check on our YouTube channel. We have there the installation of the X8 smartwatch to the HRY support app. Okay, so this time let's see if we can install a watch face for your X8 smartwatch. Okay, so we have here, we already tried it earlier, a watch face from the Dial Mall. So it has a lot of watch faces right away in your smartwatch, preloaded watch faces. Okay, but if you want more, there's a lot of options in the support app. Okay, so changing watch faces is very easy. Just tap on it and scroll, okay, or slide. So let's pick this one. Okay, so if you want more or if you want to customize it, we have an options here in the support app. So we have at least two options here: the dial management, the dial mode. Let's go first with the dial management. Tap on it and we have at least several options here. We have 12 watch faces. Okay, let's see if there are more. So that is for the dial mode. Okay, let's see if you want this watch face, just tap on it. Okay, if you want this one, just tap on it and it is selected on your smartwatch. Okay, if you want a custom watch face, you want your own background for as a watch face, you can go here on the first one and click or tap on the edit. Okay, you can set the time, okay, or the options that will be shown on the watch face. Okay, just pick. You can also pick your own color here. Okay, let's see. Okay, I want lighter one. Okay, and the time position, just tap and drag. We'll put it here on the bottom part. Okay, we also have the color options here and tap on the check option here. Okay, so that's it, and let's pick our background. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's change it to other options here. Okay, let's see, for example this one. Okay, just for the demo, it doesn't look good, but just for the demo. Okay, tap on the select here and tap on completed. Do you follow? So I have here the layout of the watch face. Let's see, let's say that it is already okay. Just click on the check here, tap, and that's your watch face, a custom background for your smartwatch. Again, it will be pushed to your smartwatch. Just tap on the check here and we see a preview of the watch face for your smartwatch, and tap on the save. Once you tap on the save, it will be pushed to your smartwatch and it will take some time. Okay, so all you have to just wait. So tap on the save. So it is now pushing to your smartwatch. So let's wait. It may take a few more seconds. So depending on the details of your background, okay, I tested it with photographs, okay, taken by your camera, and it is it takes some time. Okay, Now see, it is loaded to your smartwatch. Your own custom smartwatch. Okay, do you see it? Your own custom watch face for your smartwatch. So we have the time and the background. Okay, but if you want more, we have here in the other options, the dial mall. So we have preloaded watch faces here. Let's go to the dial mall and just tap on more, and we have at least several here. So almost most of the options here are Christmas themed watch faces, but anyway, still it's a good thing that there are other options. Okay, let's pick one. Okay, a much sharper image, let's choose. Okay, how about this one? This one, the East Train. Okay, I like the color. Okay, just tap on it. We'll see. So it is free and size about 99 kilobyte. Okay, so that's the look of the watch face. Okay, and tap on get dial. Similar to the custom watch face, it will be pushed to your smartwatch and will take some time. I guess it is much longer compared to the custom watch face, depending on the size of the watch face here. Okay, so 48%, 51, 53. So just wait, have patience, and it will be loaded to your smartwatch. Just make it sure that you have a, a fully charged, more than 50% battery for your smartwatch as well as for your smartphone. Okay, to avoid any issues with synchronizing and installing watch faces. Okay, that's it. It is successfully. Beautiful watch face for our X8 smartwatch. Again, the procedure is similar to the Y68 Plus. Okay, but this one, it has an option for the dial mall. Hopefully, there will be some upgrade and we'll see more watch faces available for your Y68, or I mean for your X8 smartwatch, available for the HRY Fine app. Okay, so this is the HRY Fine app available in iOS and Android. Again, if you have any questions regarding the installation of the app and specifically the watch face for your X8 smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. If you have any more requests, just drop a comment below. Check our website at smartwatchspecifications.com for the initial review of the X8 smartwatch and its specifications. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.